Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with Inc Authority. Thinking about using Inc Authority? Watch this honest, no-nonsense review first. I'm giving you a straightforward look at Inc Authority, a popular online business formation service. If you're planning to launch your own LLC or corporation, you've likely encountered Inc Authority's free LLC formation offer. But is it truly free? And more importantly, is it a worthwhile investment of your time? Let's delve into the details. Inc Authority's core offering is free business formation. This covers filing your LLC paperwork with your state. The only cost you initially incur is the state's required filing fee. However, be aware that supplementary services, such as creating an operating agreement, obtaining an EIN, employer identification number, and securing registered agent services, come with an additional price tag. While their registered agent service is complimentary for the first year, remember to factor this expense into your budget for subsequent years. A major advantage of Inc Authority is its user-friendly online platform, designed to streamline the often complex process of LLC formation. The intuitive dashboard simplifies navigation, making it accessible even for those without prior experience in business formation or legal compliance. For entrepreneurs requiring more than just the basic formation package, Inc Authority offers premium options that bundle additional services. These can include tax consultations, business credit support, and the preparation of legal documents. Keep in mind that these premium packages are not inexpensive. Carefully consider whether you truly require these extras before committing. So, who benefits most from Inc Authority? If you're a budget-conscious entrepreneur seeking a fast and efficient way to form your LLC without significant upfront expenses, Inc Authority can be a good fit. However, if you anticipate a full-service experience without paying for upgrades, you might be surprised by the accumulating costs of add-on services. It's an ideal solution for those comfortable managing some aspects of business formation independently but who desire professional assistance with the crucial legal filing process. Inc Authority provides reliable customer support through both phone and email, which can be especially valuable for first-time business owners. In summary, Inc Authority's free service is an excellent option for basic LLC setup. However, be prepared to pay for additional services if you require more comprehensive support. Overall, it's a reliable choice for budget-minded entrepreneurs seeking a jump start on forming their business without hefty initial costs.